So today I'm doing a shoe unboxing. These guys are from Chanel. I'm always impressed by the way that they package everything so nicely. So these are the sneakers. They're not the color I ended up going with, they were the only color that they had in store for men. Since they had them in my size, I figured why not, let's try them on, and I ended up really liking them. They're actually a very comfortable shoe. So my essay was able to find these in a color I liked better in my size at a different store and had them sent to me. So inside the shoebox we have our receipt, and we have two dust bags, one for each shoe, and then an extra pair of shoelaces. So this is the color I ended up with. It's kind of like a mint green color in person. I feel like I would just wear these a lot more than I would the yellow. The yellow were nice too, but just I feel like I'm going to get more wear out of these guys. The more I look at these, they really remind me of Balenciaga's sock sneaker. And that's mostly because the upper portion of the shoe looks like an ankle sock. It's made out of an extremely breathable woven material. Having said that, these would be perfect for the warmer months.